Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best walking stick chair is probably one of the most innovative and practical inventions for anyone who needs a convenient seating solution on the go, seamlessly blending the support of a walking cane with the functionality of a portable seat, making it an indispensable companion for outdoor events, travel, or simply when you need a moment of rest. Number 5. HONEYBULL Foldable and Adjustable Walking Cane. Introducing the HONEYBULL Walking Cane, designed for both men and women. It offers robust support and stability for everyday use. Assist your parents and grandparents with this easy-to-use and reliable walking cane. It's perfect for seniors, the elderly, and those recovering from injuries. This cane features a lightweight and foldable design, making it incredibly easy to travel with. Its strong aluminum build ensures it is very heavy-duty. Easily adjust the height from 30 to 36 inches to find your perfect fit. It's designed to accommodate individuals from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches tall. With an extra-wide, 3-tipped base, this cane stands firmly on its own. It provides excellent stability on various terrains. The pivoting tip stays flat on angled surfaces, ensuring maximum ground contact. The non-scratch rubber base offers reliable grip on any surface. What we like. This walking cane is designed for ultimate stability and convenience. Its unique freestanding, 3-tipped base allows it to remain upright on its own, and the pivoting tip ensures maximum ground contact on any surface. If you need reliable support that won't let you down, especially when you need to free up your hands momentarily, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was very easy to put together and adjust to my height requirement. Also, since it stands up on its own, it is way more convenient than having one that laid down. The walking cane provides very good stability, standing on its own, helping with balance, while being lightweight and easy to assemble, use. Number 4. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, Blue. Introducing the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It's designed to be both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, ready for wherever life takes you. Engineered with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced materials, this stool offers exceptional strength. It can support up to 400 pounds and is built to resist tilting, providing a stable seating experience. Weighing just over 2.5 pounds, this portable stool is easy to carry with its adjustable strap. Take it camping, fishing, hiking, or simply use it around your home for extra seating. Thanks to its precise design, you can extend and collapse this stool in mere seconds. Enjoy quick and easy setup, allowing you to relax without any hassle. Customize your seating experience with adjustable height options ranging from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. Choose from 12 different positions to find the perfect height for any situation. Designed with snap joints, it stays securely closed when not in use, preventing accidental opening. This ensures it's always ready and convenient for your adventures. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. Experience unparalleled sturdiness with its patented fish scale structure, capable of supporting up to 400 pounds. This portable stool is perfect for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities like camping, fishing, or hiking and needs a reliable, yet lightweight seating option. If you prioritize durability and a high weight capacity in a compact design, this is the one for you. What people say. Collapsing down to a mere 2.5 inches, easily slips into my tackle bag or can be comfortably carried using the integrated nylon web handle or the handy, storable shoulder strap. Being able to adjust it to intermediate heights is a nice feature, offering flexibility beyond the standard full extension of about 17.75 inches, which is a comfortable sitting height for me. The advertised 400 pounds load capacity gives me a significant sense of security, especially when using it on a boat where balance can sometimes be a factor. Number 3. Switch Sticks Folding Cane with Seat. Introducing a versatile walking aid designed for both stability and convenience. It offers dependable support whenever you need it. Need a break? This innovative design transforms into a comfortable seat in seconds. Enjoy rest on the go without searching for a bench. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's incredibly lightweight yet sturdy. It can support up to 220 pounds, ensuring safety and reliability. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable, non-slip grip. This reduces strain and provides a secure hold during use. Whether you're traveling or enjoying the outdoors, this cane is your ideal companion. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. This product is eligible for purchase with your flexible spending account or health savings account. Make a smart choice for your mobility needs. What we like. This product offers a unique combination of a walking cane and a comfortable seat. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to carry, and the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. If you're looking for a convenient way to rest during outdoor events, while traveling, or during long waits, this offers a practical solution. What people say. Serves two purposes, walking cane and also seat. Lightweight and easy to walk with. This cane is very sturdy and useful. My stepbrother is about 6 foot tall and weighs 175 pounds. He cannot walk long distances due to his health. This cane has been very easy for him to use as a cane and to unfold and sit on. It folds up easy and is not bulky to store. He can slip it in his front seat of his small Ford Ranger with no effort. I don't know how many times I've been standing in line and just wanted nothing more than to sit down somewhere without losing my place in line. So this will most definitely be perfect for this reason. My back begins to ache when I have to stand too long. No more aching back. Number 2. Yayayo Hold Folding Cane with Seat. Discover the ultimate mobility companion, designed for your convenience and support. This innovative product offers a reliable solution for your daily needs. It can support up to 440 pounds, ensuring robust performance. Despite its strength, it remains incredibly lightweight at just 1.98 pounds. Easily adjust its height to your preference, with folded heights ranging from 33.5 to 37.5 inches and expanded heights from 28.3 to 32.3 inches. It offers 5 adjustable steps for personalized comfort. Crafted from durable, lightweight metal, it's built for everyday use. The non-slip rubber feet provide excellent stability on various surfaces, giving you confidence with every step. Perfect for events, queues, or shopping breaks, it transforms into a comfortable seat whenever you need a rest. It's the ideal portable accessory for anyone seeking on-the-go seating. Navigate safely in low-light conditions thanks to the integrated LED light. The easily accessible switch and simple battery replacement ensure you're always prepared. Enjoy greater freedom and independence with this versatile walking aid. It provides reliable support as a cane and a comfortable seat when you need it most. What we like. This walking stick with a seat is built for exceptional strength, supporting up to 440 pounds. It also features a built-in LED light for nighttime safety and a magnetic therapy stone for added comfort. If you need robust support, a comfortable portable seat, and enhanced safety features for evening use, this is a great option. What people say. He loves that he can sit down when he feels like he needs to. And the cane is still lightweight enough that he can jog with it in hand. It's pretty sturdy and can open and close easily. I like that it has adjustable legs to accommodate for a taller person to sit uncomfortably. This was perfect. My wife is 68 years, 5 feet 7 inches, and at 150 hashtag. On our recent cruise, she used it both in the airport as well as on the various tours we went on. It really worked well in these situations. Number 1. Step 2 Gold Tata Chair Series 2. Introducing the Tata Chair Series 2, the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts. It seamlessly transforms from a supportive hiking stick to a comfortable seat, providing rest whenever you need it. Experience unparalleled comfort with its ergonomic handle, designed for a natural grip. When used as a chair, it offers the largest seat in its class for a truly relaxing experience. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, this product is incredibly lightweight, weighing under 2.2 pounds. Despite its lightness, it's built to last and supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring reliability on all your adventures. With a reinforced structure and dual stability, it meets rigorous European and Taiwanese safety standards. You can trust its robust design for both camping and hiking. Navigate any terrain with confidence thanks to its gigantic, anti-slip rubber feet featuring a spiral pattern. These provide superior stability and drainage, ensuring safety with every step. Available in 3 adjustable heights, it's designed to accommodate users from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. Please confirm the seat height and weight capacity to ensure it meets your specific needs. What we like. Enjoy superior comfort with the largest seat among similar products, crafted from lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum. It offers dual stability and is designed for versatile use as both a hiking stick and a chair. If you prioritize comfort and stability during your outdoor adventures and need a reliable resting spot that's easy to carry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. We simply and quickly convert the handy, lightweight canes into chairs, which provides a far more pleasant walking, stopping, standing experience. It's lightweight and, indeed, is sufficiently compact to serve as both a cane and a chair. It sets up and folds down in just a moment, and requires no strength to do it. It's lighter than I even expected, very easy to carry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.